What we've got here is a little sound clip of assembly that's going to be for sale. This is a special thing Fender was doing on these. This is 1957 Unreal Relic. But these, I got this Strat because I had one before, and it has the 1954 specially made bridge pickup, reverse wound middle pickup. I did it wrong again. 54 reverse. This is a 1969 custom shop. It's all in a Relic, Super Relic, 57 single ply pick guard. But these are just something the Fender came up with, and it's just great together. And it's got you can hear this bell. The whole Strat just rocks. Has a three-way. It's all relic staggered poles. Like I said, 54, 54, 69. Assembly, something you can't buy in the store, folks.